one of my viewers have asked me one interesting question regarding how to pass data between two sheets and at the same time adding the new data to the current cell value. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this quick tutorial. So the problem is like this. Sheet 1, we keep adding new stocks, and the sheet 2 needs to compute the total sum of the newly added stocks. So you can read this problem in your own time. So now let's try to solve this. We go to Excel. I have already created two sheets, and on my sheet 1, cell A1, I called purchase quantity of stock. As per the example, I will go with 20. That's fine. And now if you will go to sheet 2, here is the trick and the formula that you need to use to compute the current stock. First, you need to put the equal sign and then type sum, press tab, and then type sheet 1, attention mark, B1, double colon, then sheet 1, attention mark. Then we can put anything in here depending how many more stocks you want to add on sheet 1. So let's give a very big value of 1000. I don't think you would add more than 1000, but you could change it to your needs. And then we can just close the parentheses and enter. As you can see, already the 20 is here because our current stock 1 is already 20. So this worked. The equation means that we're gonna go to sheet 1 and add all the values from cells B1 to B1000. And then what we can do in here, just drag this corner. You can go all the way to 1000, but for this example, I will stay to 30. And as per the viewer's example, I will put just 25. And I go back here and you can see 45. You can put a 50. You can put 2. And you go back in here, it adds up all the values.